Hello and welcome to my channel. We just went over what's in the kit for, this is an old one. This is a March kit and it's called the Garden Window. And I had just opened it up because it just somehow fell out of my visual. But now we're going to do the page kits. So let me break down all of the different sentiments and stickers, and then we'll decide what paper we're going to use and we'll start putting the kits together. I'll be right back. The stickers and embellishments separated, and they're separated by color. The first tray has all of the yellow roses. The second tray has the peach roses and the little butterflies. The next tray has all of the pink roses and flowers. Then we have a tray that has the red roses. And this did not take me long at all, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Then we have all of the flourishes separated. And we have the sentiments separated. So now I am ready to begin building my page kits because I have all of this organized and ready to go. Let's start building. First of all, we need to build the actual pages that we're going to scrapbook. And I'll start with this purple print. We have 2 pieces of paper in each kit per print. So we start with this one, and I just kind of graduate across and see what paper will match this. And honestly, I think I do like this paper and this paper together. Everybody knows I like to have 3 to 4 pieces of paper to do a page, and that's the only thing about these kits. You don't get a lot of paper. So I think with this one, I am going to just use 2 pieces of the violet purple and 1 of this one, and that will be a page. And then the next one, we have this paper, and this paper really plays well with several of these papers. And I think I'm going to put it with this one. Okay. And then I'm also going to grab this one. I love this paper. This is my favorite one in the kit. Love that pink. So there's our second page. Then we have the pink, and let's put her with the green this time. And honestly, there's not really any green in here, but one thing about Anna's prints, they always play very well with each other. Well, wait a minute. Let me look at this. Oh, there we go. There's a page. I like that. Then we have these 3 prints left, and that is a page. Now that we have selected the prints that we want to put together for the page, it's time to decide what embellishments we're going to add to the page. And I really like this collection. So I am going to add some roses. And I'm also going to put a couple of these long stem roses in there. And I'm going to try to do this without my trays clanging together. And I apologize if they do get annoying. Okay, we have the roses that we've chosen. And I think I will, let me look and see what would be a good sentiment to put on it. Let's see. Okay, now the sentiment, I don't know, because these particular sentiments are more, they're more for cards. So I'm just going to put these off to the side, okay? I don't think I'll use them on any of these pages. But let's see. I'm not going to use any yellow flowers, and I'm not going to use the peach flowers. But I do need some flourishes for my page. So let's pick some out. And I do like this one. Is there two? Nope, it's just one. And here's the other. Is that the opposite side? I'm not sure. Let me see. No. There we go. There's a set. So we'll put these in here. And I think that's going to do it. And that'll be our first page. Okay, so we have our first page put together. Okay, now let's see what 3 pages we have. Oh, I love these colors. They harmonize so beautifully together. Okay, let's decide what we're going to do. And I do know I want to put the pink rose or peach colored roses on here. And I'll throw some of these lighter ones on here as well. And a butterfly, a couple of butterflies maybe. All right. Then I'm also going to add some flourishes. And here's our left and right. And left and right. Okay. And again, I'm not using the sentiments from the kit, so this is our second page. Beautiful. I love that color combination. Next we have, oh, the beautiful pinks. I love all these. I just think they go so beautifully together. And of course, we all know I love pink. So on this page, let's try, we have a lot of pink. So, oh, I love these flowers. Let's put these flowers on there. I think they're just beautiful. And we'll throw some roses on there. How many do we have? Let's throw 3 of them in there. And that will be a page. So we've got 3 pages made already. And there we go. Beautiful. And then the 4th and last page is going to be these papers. And they do go very well together. I think they're very pretty together. Let me see what I'm going to put down. We did receive those beautiful yellow roses, but I don't see where I'm interested in using those. Let's use these and these. And let's throw some flourishes on there. I'm going to throw a few of them. Actually, I think that's too many. I'm not going to need that many. Trying to do the left and right. Okay, here we go. There's 2 sets, if you can see that. Oh, and well, I'll tell you, I'll try to use these because they do have some pink in them. And I think they'd be pretty on there. And honestly, with Anna Griffin, everything goes together. So you just can't make a mistake. And you'll see that as I start putting scrapbook pages together. I'm going to be cutting borders, frames, embellishments, and they will be included in the kits whenever we put them together. And that's our 4th page. So that gave us 4 beautiful pages to get started with. And our next video, we will put these together, and I will share some techniques with you that I use whenever I am scrapbooking and putting pages together. I hope that's all in frame. Okay, thank you very much for stopping by, visiting with me, and I look forward to us being together very soon to put the pages together. So have a wonderful day. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.